Hello team, welcome back. Welcome to Google Cloud Training. In last few lecture we have seen how we can create and edit the Google Compute Engine. Let's see how we can create the custom Google Compute Engine or the custom machine instead of the defined template. So let's open your browser in incognito mode and log in your Cloud Console account. So we are on the Cloud Console account. I will open the menu bar, go to the Compute Engine and go to the VM instances. I will click on the VM instances and now as I have deleted the earlier instance, I'm not getting any instance listed on my dashboard. So I will click on the create instance. And first, let's see how we can create the custom machine. So let's provide the name. I will call it custom. I'm not adding any label. I'm creating this machine in US Central 1, US Central 1B. Now here in the machine family, we will open the series. So series would be N1 and we will go to the machine type. In the machine type, I will choose the custom. And instead of the defined template like 1 core CPU, 2 core CPU, 4 core CPU, 8 core CPU, I need some 6 core CPU or 12 core CPU machine, right? Because these core CPU machine are not the standard type, so I will add 6 core CPU over here. So you can see, as I mentioned, instead of 1 to 6, memory is automatically shifted, right? This memory is Google automatically shifted as per my CPU, and cost is also been calculated. This machine, 6 core CPU machine with this particular memory configuration, will cost me $153 per month. Suppose I want more memory. So with 6 core CPU, I attach at max 39 GB RAM. But suppose you need more memory, you need 200 GB or 300 GB RAM. In that case, you need to check this particular box, extend memory, and you can enter any custom number over here. Suppose I need 500 GB RAM with my 6 core CPU machine, right? So this is quite possible in Google. You can attach this much of disk, and this will cost me around $2,440 a month. I don't believe that on the free account Google will allow me to create this configuration, so that I'm reducing this. But we have seen that this is quite much possible. I'm taking it 100 GB. It will cost me around $488.40 a month, right? So this is the way how we can choose the custom machine configuration. Let's click on the create. This will create the another instance which will have the custom machine. Until this particular instance will be ready, and see, this is ready. If I will open this, you can see this is the 6 core CPU with 100 GB memory. Let's SSH the machine and let me allow to increase the font size. I hope this will be pretty much clear. Over here you can see this is my username label up 360 GCP and this is my machine custom instance, right? Let's see how many CPUs are over here. I will enter a command top, hit enter. So you can see over here we are getting the CPU uses. Right now 0% CPU or 0.1% CPU is in use, right? If you will press 1, it will list out all the CPU uses percentage, and over here you can see we have the 6 CPU, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So this is a 6 core CPU machine. Let's press Ctrl C to exit out, clear out your console. And now we need to verify that how much memory we have, right? We defined 100 GB RAM to this particular machine. So you can execute a command like free -m. This will define the complete RAM in megabyte. So this have this much of megabyte RAM. If you want to display this in GB, you can define free-g. So the total memory is 98 GB, right? 2 GB somehow is attached, or Google is not showing over here. But overall we can see that 28.9 GB RAM is available on my machine, right? I will close this terminal. Now we have seen that how we can create the custom machine. Let's delete this machine, otherwise it will cost us. So this is the way how we can play around, how we can create the machine or compute engine with the help of the Google Cloud. So thank you team, thanks for your time. In the coming lecture I will show you some other important feature of the Google Cloud platform.